When people talk about lighting retrofit, they usually think about one thing: replacing old lightings with LEDs, lower energy consumption, higher efficiency, connected lighting enable. And for many years that was true. Retrofit was mainly about upgrading the light source. But today, the situation is very different. Because lighting is no longer just about light, it is quietly becoming part of the data layer in buildings, especially in smart buildings. In the previous episodes, we explored two major shifts in the industry. First, the move toward integrated LED luminaires. Second, the growing fragmentation of products and standards. These changes have introduced new challenges: maintenance complexity, quality inconsistency, and system-level instability. Which leads to a fundamental question: what are we really upgrading when we do a retrofit? Is it just the light source, or is it the system itself? To answer that, we need to look at what made traditional lighting systems work so well. In the fluorescent era, lighting systems were built on a simple but powerful structure. Lamps, ballasts, and fixture housings formed a practical, serviceable infrastructure that evolved over many years and became deeply embedded in commercial buildings. When a lamp failed, it could be replaced. When a ballast failed, it could be serviced. The fixture housing remained in place as long-term building infrastructure. This serviceable logic was one of the great strengths of traditional lighting systems. More importantly, these components were standardized. Different manufacturers could produce compatible parts, which created a stable, maintainable infrastructure. That structure is what we call system integrity. System integrity means more than just working hardware. It means clear interfaces, interchangeable components, predictable behavior over time. It is the reason why lighting systems in many buildings could operate reliably for decades. But modern retrofit approaches often overlook this. In many projects, retrofit means removing the entire fixture and replacing it with a new integrated LED luminaire. On paper, this looks like an upgrade, but from a system perspective, something important is lost. The modular structure disappears. Interchangeability is reduced. Dependency on specific products increases. And over time, this affects how the lighting system behaves. Maintenance becomes more difficult, replacement becomes more expensive, and long-term reliability becomes uncertain. In other words, the system loses its integrity. This is why retrofit today should not be seen as a simple product upgrade. It is a system decision, because every retrofit approach implicitly defines how the system will be maintained, how components will be replaced, and how the system will evolve over time. A retrofit that ignores system integrity may deliver short-term efficiency, but create long-term problems, while a retrofit that preserves or improves system integrity can support the building for decades. Here is a simple way to think about it. Retrofit is not just about changing what you see, it's about preserving what you don't see. The structure, the interfaces, the ability to maintain and adapt the system over time. Because lighting is no longer just a device. It is part of building infrastructure. And infrastructure must be designed to last, to be repaired, and to evolve. That is why retrofit is not just about LEDs. It is about system integrity.